How do you say Rudy? Rud. And how do you say angry? Vred. And how do you say this place? It's close to Copenhagen. Rødovre. Then how do you say nonsensical? Vrøvlet. And how do you say messy? Rode. Smoked. Rød. Red. Rød. Drought. Rye bread. Rugbrød. And how do you say concerns? Vedrører. And how do you say the brothers? Brødrene. And how do you say this place? It's easy. Everybody knows it's a square in Copenhagen. Gråbrødretorv. Then how do you say Rudy's angry in? Because the nonsensical and messy advice about smoked red trout and rye bread does not concern the brothers at.
Rud er vred i Rødovre, for vrøvlet og råde om røgrød ørred og rugbrød ved at eje brødrene på Gråbrødretorv. Ja.